Okay, a lot of these to simplify. So let's start with A, right? I have -5 plus -1, that's -6. And the absolute value of that is 6. This is actually a mistake. They should never write plus minus without parentheses. You can't have two operators next to each other without parentheses there. So that one comes out to 6. The next one is the absolute value of -2 times 4, which is -8. So the absolute value of -8 is +8. The third one, we have 3 times the absolute value of -8. The absolute value of -8 is 8, so 3 times 8 is 24. So C is 24. D, we have -3 times the absolute value of 8, which is 8, so we get -24 for that one, -3 times +8. For E, we have 5 minus the absolute value, -5 plus 10. -5 plus 10 is +5. So this means we have 5 minus 5, which is 0. And the last one, we have the absolute value of 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10 is -4. The absolute value of -4 is +4. Notice that when I was doing these problems, I was kind of going left to right. Never do that. Do not do this. I'm only doing it because I don't have lined paper and it's hard for me to go down the page. But your problems should always be worked out down. So for instance, if I was doing E, I would have 5 minus absolute value -5 plus 10. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. It would work down the page, right? Do not go left to right. I'm only doing it because I'm on a tablet with the page behind me.